I was single for a couple of months, right? 36 to be exact. It wasn't a short couple. I was put off by my ex-girlfriend. We had a very weird situation, me and my ex. While we were together, she still lived with her ex-boyfriend. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but what happened was they were renting a 2-bedroom flat and they split up and neither of them could afford the full flat, so he just moved into the spare room. And I know him. He's the year above me in my school. He used to bully people in my year. He's the type of adult who, like, you know, if you have a house party and you tell people, come round but bring some alcohol with you. You know that prick who brings skull but then drinks your Peroni? You know that arsehole? He's constantly trying to undermine our relationship. What he used to do, if we were in a room with the door shut, he'd knock, shout messages through, like, I'm going out, or whatever. And one time he did it 4 times in one afternoon. And on the 4th time, I got very angry, I'll be honest with you, because we were in the middle of having sex. Now, I'm not showing off, okay? But it's important for the purposes of this story that you all know she was having a fantastic time, okay? I'm not saying I'm good at it, I'm saying it was like a Wednesday and I was on Saturday form. You know what I mean by that? The moves you say for a weekend or someone's birthday. You have stuff you do over a weekend? The slapping. Yeah. You said yeah and she just went, don't tell him. That was amazing. Do you ever do the favour? You don't know what the favour is, you're a girl, that's fine. He knows what the favour is. You know, right, you know when you're having sex? Yeah, good. Always good that you're awake. When you're having sex, yeah, and she hasn't finished yet, but you know you're about 2 seconds away. So you have to think of something really quickly to stop yourself finishing. What do you think of? You don't want to know? I mean, it probably won't be as bad as you're thinking. It won't be like a family member of yours. No, it won't be. He wouldn't use that. He wouldn't use, like, your nan. He wouldn't do that. And I'll tell you why men never use people like that. If it doesn't work, it's fucking horrible. You not ask whether you finish first or not? Fucking love it, lad. Doesn't matter, does it? It's Johnny Big Dick. He just gets his own and then fucks off. Every man does it. You're lying to yourself and everyone else. I use Gail Platt. She's fucking quality. Yeah. Get 15, 20 minutes out of Gail. Anyway, back to the story. Me and my ex, right? We're in bed and we're having sex with each other. We're having a fucking great time. Gail Platt's in my head. I've got my table tennis bat out. And for the 4th time that afternoon, her ex-boyfriend knocked on the door and I got really angry. I was like, what does he want? He knows what we're doing in here. And he's selfish and he's arrogant and he's just jealous that I've got you now and he's lost you. And he's just a selfish prick. He's trying to disrupt us. I fucking hate this lad. And then his voice came from behind the door. And on this occasion, he said, do either of you guys fancy a bacon sandwich? Now. I can't put into words how angry she got when I said yes. I've never turned down a bacon sandwich in my life. The lad who used to take the piss out of my lazy eye is not getting a pass on this one, okay? But we started arguing and I lost the argument somehow. She made it sound like I was the insensitive prick of the situation. So I lost the argument. The only argument I ever came close to winning was I came home 1 hour late from my best mate's 21st birthday. She kicked off. It's fucking 11:05. You said you'd be in by 10. What time do you call this? It's what a lot of scouse women sound like they need fucking oiling. It's frightening. Okay? We didn't used to use KY jelly, we used to use WD-40. It was frightening, right? 11:05, you said you'd be in by 10, what time do you call this? And I was like, look, I'm very drunk, don't want to argue with you. She said, you've had shots, haven't you? You've got shot eyes. I said, I was born with that, dickhead, actually. I had shots, I was toilet up down in my fucking mind, to be honest with you. I was like, look, don't want to argue with you. She went, I don't care. I stayed up all night waiting for you and you're 1 hour late. But I wanted to win an argument for once, so I thought, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to stick to the point that I'm only 1 hour late from my best mate's 21st birthday. And if I just keep repeating that line, surely she'll get bored, right? Half an hour goes by, she hadn't got bored at all. She wants to win as well, and she wanted to win to the point. She realised she wasn't going to win. She never said anything. I could just hear what she was thinking, okay? I could see the cogs in her brain going, she's going, I'm not going to win this because I'm being petty. And what I should do is back down, tell him everything's fine, come and join me in bed. Nah. I think I'll just come out with something that's got absolutely fuck all to do with this argument. See if I can change direction here. She stood silent for about 3 seconds and then said, "My ex's dick was bigger than yours." Now, she'd never said that before, and if she'd have said that when I was sober, it would have hurt, okay? That's what she wanted. She wanted to hurt me, so I got upset. Didn't hurt me, I burst out laughing, and she wasn't expecting that response. And if I'm honest with you lot, neither was I. I don't know where the laugh came from. She goes, "What are you laughing at? What is funny about my ex's dick being bigger than yours?" I said, "I don't care, don't give a fuck." She said, "Why don't you care?" My drunk brain answered that by itself, without my permission. And he went with the words, "2 reasons." And I'll be honest with you, when I said the words 2 reasons, I had fucking neither of them ready. She goes, "What are the 2 reasons?" I said, "Number 1, I don't know." She went, "Fucking think of them quickly, Adam Rowe, right fucking now." I went, okay. Number 1. That doesn't affect my life in any way whatsoever. And number 2, and I was so proud of number 2, I said, "If you think about it, when you two were together, I was single. So all you've really said is that since we've got together, my sex life has improved and yours has gone drastically downhill." And it's not like your ex is doing any better, is it? He's in the kitchen making me a bacon sandwich.